Imagine a world where the freedom of a motorcycle meets the comfort of a luxury hotel, all powered by the whisper-quiet hum of an electric motor. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a vehicle that is literally rewriting the rules of the road, the 2026 Electric Tricycle Camper. This isn't just a trike, it's a self-contained ecosystem for the modern Nomad. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 model looks like something straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. Its aerodynamic, teardrop-shaped shell is crafted from lightweight carbon fiber composites, designed to slice through the wind and maximize every kilowatt of energy. Up front, you've got a commanding stance with adaptive LED matrix headlights that peer around corners. Stepping inside is where your jaw will truly drop. The engineers have pulled off a masterclass in micro-living. The main cabin features a modular lounge that transforms into a plush memory foam bed in seconds. You'll find a hidden pull-out kitchenette equipped with an induction cooktop, a filtered water system, and a 12-volt compressor fridge that keeps your drinks ice-cold on 100-degree days. Despite the compact footprint, the smart glass windows can tint electronically for instant privacy. Now let's talk about what's happening under the hood, or rather, under the chassis. The 2026 camper is powered by a high-density solid-state battery pack, offering a staggering range of up to 250 miles on a single charge. The dual-motor rear drive system delivers instant torque, meaning you can climb steep mountain passes without breaking a sweat. It even features a regenerative braking system that pumps energy back into the cells every time you hit the descent. Of course, all this innovation comes with a price tag, but it's more accessible than you might think. Depending on your choice of battery size and luxury trim, the 2026 Electric Tricycle Camper starts at approximately $28,000, with the fully loaded off-grid Pro editions reaching up to $42,000. When you consider that this replaces both a vehicle and a travel trailer and eliminates gas bills forever, the math starts to look very attractive for serious adventurers. Safety has also been taken to the next level. This trike is packed with a 360-degree LiDAR sensor suite that provides active collision avoidance and lane centering tech. Because of its low center of gravity, it's virtually impossible to tip, and the advanced stability control monitors road grip 1,000 times per second. There's even a built-in SOS satellite link, so if you're way off the grid and run into trouble, help is just a button press away. To summarize, the 2026 Electric Tricycle Camper is more than just a new way to travel. It's a new way to live. It bridges the gap between the ruggedness of a motorcycle and the refined luxury of a high-end RV, all while staying eco-conscious. It's compact, it's clever, and it's undeniably cool. If you're ready to trade the cubicle for the open road, this might just be your new best friend. Make sure to hit that like button if you're as impressed as I am, and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming real-world range test. Would you take this on a cross-country trip, or is it too small for your style? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.